Hello, you are welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem to find the x value. Solution: 9 power x plus 9 power x plus 9 power x equal to 999. Now this 9 power x we are going to take common. So 9 power x, open bracket, 1 plus 1 plus 1 close bracket equal to 999. Now 9 power x times 3 equal to 999. Now 9 power x times 3 by 3, 999 divided by 3. This 3 cancels this. Simplify this. Here we'll get 333. So 9 power x equal to 333. Now this 9 can be written as 3 power 2 whole power x equal to 333. So 3 power 2x equal to, this 333 can be written as 9 times of 37. So 3 power 2x equal to, this can be written as, this 9 can be written as 3 power 2 times 37. Now take a log on both sides. Log 3 power 2x equal to log 3 power 2 times 37. Now according to this power log formula, log m power p equal to p log m. This formula we are going to apply here. So we'll get 2x log 3 equal to log 3 power 2 times 37. Now 2x log 3 equal to, this can be written as, according to the log product formula, log 3 square plus log 37. We applied log a b equal to log a plus log b. This formula we applied here. We'll get 2x log 3 equal to log 3. This 2 comes here according to the log power formula. So plus log 37. Now this 2x, this log 3 goes right hand side. So 2 log 3 plus log 37 by log 3. Now 2x equal to 2 log 3 by log 3 plus log 37 by log 3. Now this log 3 cancels this log 3. So we have 2x equal to 2 plus log 37 by log 3. According to this log formula, log a by log b equal to log a base b. This formula we are going to apply here. So we'll get 2x equal to 2 plus log 37 base 3. Now x equal to 2 plus log 37 base 3 by this 2 comes here. So x equal to 2 by 2 plus log 37 base 3 by 2. Now simplify this here 1. So x equal to 1 plus log 37 base 3 by 2. This is the x. Now we are going to verify this. Verify with the 9 power x plus 9 power x plus 9 power x equal to 999. Now this x is 1 plus log 37 base 3 by 2. Now we are going to apply here. So 9 power x open bracket 1 plus 1 plus 1 close bracket 999. Now 9 power x times 3 equal to 999. So 9 power x equal to 999 by 3. Simplify this 333. So 9 power x equal to 333. Now applying this x value, 9 power 1 plus log 37 base 3 by 2 equal to 333. A power m plus n equal to a power m times a power n. This formula we are going to apply here. So we'll get 9 power 1 times 9 power log 37 base 3 by 2 equal to 333. Now 9 power 1 times this is 3 power 2 log 37 by 2 base 3 equal to 333. This 2 cancels this. So 9 times 3 power log 37 base 3 equal to 333. According to this log formula, a power log b base a equal to b. Now we are going to apply here 9 times of 37 equal to 333. So 9 times of 37 is 333 equal to 33. So LHS equal to RHS, thus verified. Thanks for watching this video.